In this video, we'll show you how to change the air filter on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Disconnect the airflow meter connector. To do this, use a small screwdriver to push the red locking tab. Then, disconnect the connector by pressing the plastic tab. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the holding clip for the air intake duct on the airbox. Unclip the 3 holding latches on the airbox cover. Pull out the flange. Take out the air filter. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. You can now put the new filter in place. To put the flange in, incline it so that the 3 interlocking studs go in first. Finally, lock the flange with the 3 latches. Then, screw the hose clamp back on. Reconnect the airflow meter connector. Then, lock it. Operation complete.